of you. My name is Yuvraj Singh Bhadoria. I am from PMC JV Kalupura Ratlam class 12. Today I am here to present you working model on purification of carbon. Its theme is based on Samrit Bharat. It is running by Central Ministry of Viksit Bharat Bid Marathon. Now I will tell you how this model works through this PPT. The components of the model are battery, chimney, carbon absorber, clean air and polluted air. The working of this model is when are producing lots of amount of polluted gases. When industries and motor vehicles are produced, lots of amount of polluted gases heavy with carbon dioxide. This model clean this carbon dioxide into clean air using an exhaust fan. This polluted air went to carbon absorber, and carbon absorber clean the polluted air and produces clean air to clean the environment. Now we will understand each application. The application of this model are filtering water for drinking and industrial use by removing chlorine, VOC and odors, and cleaning air in homes and industry to remove harmful gases and smells. The purpose of this model are very different. The primary purpose of a carbon purification model project is to demonstrate and educate about the effectiveness of carbon-based filtration. The second purpose is removing pollutants from air and water. And the third models are served to inspire innovations in these like purification models to control the pollution in our environment. The aims of a purification carbon model are very different. The first two are education to clearly show the principle of absorption and filtration using activated carbon as the medium. Pollution control demonstration are types like to illustrate how carbon filters can effectively remove pollutants like dust, gases and heavy